Be more than 3 years. So, uh, until Pastor Van established this church, then I come with him. So, and what else coming back to this church still dito ako na dito maging positive. So, and yung believe ko sa Diyos. Kaya continue. Patuloy ako sa pag-praise and worship.
Ako naman, dumating kami dito noong 2024. So, ayun, nagtuloy-tuloy na yung pag-attend namin dito sa church. Yung gustong-gusto talaga namin dito sa church is meron silang cooperation, yung nagtutulungan talaga. Tapos, kung may need ka talaga sa kanila, talaga sila, yung handa talaga silang tumulong.
So, nag-start kasi kami dito November of 2023. So, we've been here for maybe a year and 6 months, 1.5 year. So, what kept you coming back here?
Siguro the preaching and the brethren as well. So, the preaching talagang malalim. Talagang, yun nga sinasabi ni Pastor na talagang humihingi siya ng message kay Lord. So coming from our previous church, so parang napaka-swallow lang. Then when we came back, talagang napaka-passionate, napaka-bold. Talagang naawa ako sa stage, even dun sa table na talagang grabe yung yung preaching, talagang parang na-overwhelm kami na parang laki-laki ng Jesus sila dito. Then the brethren mismo, so may mga times na I had an accident, so kung may mga emergency, tawagan mo, i-text mo, pupuntahan ka. Talagang kapatiran, tulungan.
So, since 2023, 2024, 2025, 2 years? Yeah, 2 years then. And what has kept you coming back? So, yes, of course, I involved myself to this church as a musician, and so that's my ministry. That's why I'm always coming back and sa mga darating pa na taon.
Okay, I've been attending in the HLC for more than a year, since like December 2023. So it's more than a year, and I'm so proud and happy to be part of the HLC. And what kept me coming back is, of course, my love for the Lord, my passion in serving the Lord, together with my family.
7 to 8 months already. And first thing that I noticed from the churches when I was looking for a church, I was like hungry for the Word of God. I reached out to Pastor Van, and then Pastor Van told me that they're a family church. So, naganahan ako sa mga preaching niya kasi I see the transparency, same as like my previous pastor in the Philippines in San Juan. Hindi siya namimili. Mga sinasabi niya as in, through the words of in the Bible, yun na hindi siya yung sabihin na natin pinipili niya yung mga sinasabi niya dahil may mga ganito, may mga ganito, may ganito. His words are coming from God. Ito gusto mong malaman, gusto mong iparating ng Diyos. Ganun. So I was the transparency of his teachings,